Ever wondered how to master the art of making sourdough? Sourdough, a delicious and complex bread, has become a favorite among home bakers. Its unique tang and airy texture make it a rewarding baking journey. Well, you're in the right place. Here are the top 7 ways to master the art of sourdough. First, choose your ingredients wisely. The foundation of an exceptional sourdough is high-quality flour and water. Natural yeast is another key player, introducing a unique flavor profile and aiding in fermentation. Remember, good ingredients make good bread. Second, nurture your sourdough starter. This involves combining equal parts of flour and water, then feeding this mixture daily with the same amount. Keep it warm and stir it often. A healthy starter is the heart of every great sourdough. Third, patience is key during fermentation. This is when the magic happens, as yeast and bacteria work together, transforming simple dough into a flavorful masterpiece. How? Temperature and time play crucial roles, influencing the bread's texture and taste. Give your dough the time it needs to develop complex flavors. Fourth, master the art of kneading and shaping. This step is crucial to achieving that perfect crumb and crust. The right kneading technique develops the gluten, while shaping determines the final look and texture of your bread. Remember, your hands are your best tools in bread making. Fifth, bake it right and let it cool. The perfect loaf needs the right temperature and timing. Too hot too soon, and your bread may end up as hard as a rock. Let it cool before slicing, as patience rewards you with the perfect loaf. Finally, practice and don't be afraid to experiment. The art of sourdough is a canvas for your culinary creativity. Unleash your inner baker, try different flavors, techniques, and don't shy away from a few kitchen mishaps. Mastering sourdough is a journey. Enjoy every step of it. So there you have it. The top 7 ways to master the art of sourdough, from selecting quality ingredients, creating your starter, fermenting the dough, to kneading, shaping, baking, and experimenting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks. Happy baking!